I want you to get something and I want you to observe something in this oil. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to today's video. I am Victoria Vic, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Dr. Teals moisturizing bath and body oil. Okay,
you were fleeing from disaster. Every night is passing even faster, leaving me from the morning.
so guys, if this is your first time, if this is me, welcome. This Victoria Vic channel. We talk about skincare, we review products that work, and we also talk about relationship matters. So today I'm going to be reviewing Dr. Teals moisturizing bath and body oil. So all you need to know about this oil is that it's actually a moisturizing oil.
It's time that holds us on this earth.
It's a moisturizer for those of us who have dry skin and are looking for oil that is going to moisturize our skin and make our skin look uniform, or for those of us who have color pigments or who find cream very difficult to absorb into their skin. This oil is going to prepare your skin and it's going to allow cream to be able to absorb into your skin faster.
Without it, we'd be floating.
One thing about this oil is like it's actually a natural oil. It contains three oil. It contains a very good natural and essential oils, which is jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. All this oil is very vital for a healthy skin. All you just need to do how to use this oil the right way is that when you're going to have your bath in the night, you pour a quantity into your water. When you pour a quantity into your water, you use it to bath. When you are done, you use this oil the first thing without drying your skin. You use it to moisturize your skin, like to apply it all over your skin. Note, you don't need to dry your skin. Allow the water to be in your body, then you use this oil to moisturize your skin, then you proceed to apply your cream. This oil kind of prepares your skin, softens your skin, and allow cream to absorb into your skin fast. A moisturizer, the work of moisturizer is to prepare your skin so that it can be able to lock in cream. There are some skins that is very hard. When they use oil, when they use cream, it does not penetrate into their skin faster because the skin surface is very hard, like it's dry. So when you use the moisturizers like this, just like this one that contains natural oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, and sweet almond oil, it helps your skin. It prepares your skin to be able to absorb in cream. It prepares your skin to be able to take in cream, any cream you apply. So sweetheart, I would also like you to use this oil because you know why? I'm just trying to tell you what this oil does. Why you need to get it is that if a cream is harsh, it has a way of toning it down. Sweet almond oil is for repairing of skin, of damaged skin, moisturizing, nourishing. So if your cream is harsh and you're using this oil, it will subdue the effect and make it work in a better way, to make it work in a way that it's supposed to work. So one thing about this oil is that it unifies the skin. It gives the skin a very healthy and a glowing skin. Do you get it? Like, I've been using jojoba oil, I've been using sweet almond oil, but I haven't seen an oil that contains the three in one. And that's one thing about this Dr. Teals moisturizing bath and body. So you're going to use it to bath, and then you're going to use it to apply. First of all, this oil, it's not for whitening of the skin, it's not for bleaching, it's actually for moisturizing of the skin. So this oil makes your skin glow, make your skin look blended, and really pop out. Like, you will love your skin when using this oil. One thing I love about this is that it moisturizes the skin, especially if you have a dry skin and you need an oil that's going to make your skin look uniform. How to use this oil the right way is to put a quantity of it into your bathing water when you want to bathe, then use it and bath. When you are done, you can use this oil to moisturize on your skin first. You use it to moisturize your skin first before applying your body cream. This will help to lock in the cream. This will make the cream, it will make your pores to be open so that the cream you're using can be able to absorb fully into your skin. That is the purpose of moisturizing. Moisturizing is more like you're damping your skin, you're making your skin, you're preparing your skin to be able to absorb in cream. All right, that's how this oil works. If you love this video, please tap up to this channel and subscribe. I love you. Bye.